Hi, doctor to my team member. My name is Balarajan Sannasi and my ID is CE190056. I am from Group 3 of Engineering Mathematics Section 10. Our chosen title of this project is Chapter 3 Interpolation Analysis based on Desired Authentic Problem. I will present the introduction and conclusion of this project. Okay, solar energy can convert to electric energy by photovoltaic solar system known as solar panel. Therefore, many people utilize electric solar panel known as solar photovoltaic system for backup power source in the home all around the world. After that, the output efficiency of the solar panel based on electromagnetic radiation released by the sun is known as solar radiation, often known as the solar resource or just sunshine, and the solar radiation differ with time from the morning 8 a.m. to 6 p.m. Then, for this project, identified a research report that is design of single-axis sun tracking system used to get the reading time versus power data from static solar panel of a solar tracking system in Table 1 of a chosen research report. For this numerical project, only collected the data of time and power of reading data from a static solar panel tracking system. The solar tracker tracked the voltage, current, and power only for desired time, which is from 8 am to 6 pm as shown in Table 1. Therefore, for this project focused on identify the power on 9:30 am which is not collected from the solar tracker by using the Lagrange interpolation method and also the Newton's divided difference by performing manual and engineering software such as Maple and MATLAB solutions. After that, the objective of this interpolation project is to compare and also perform the manual and software solution of Lagrange and Newton divided difference interpolation method. Then the desired authentic problem that went to resolve it is the interpolation project will focus on determining the non-measured solar tracking power in milliwatt with respect to the time of 9:30 am using the data from the solar tracking system's static solar panel as shown in table 1.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Hanif Hakimi bin Azlan and my matric number CE190063. I want to present about methodology. Okay, next. What the suitable method to solve the problem? We use Lagrange interpolation and Newton divided different method to solve the problem. Right? Okay. We apply Bush method to find the value of power at 9:30 hour for solar panel. Okay, next, how to solve it? Solve by manually and Maple and MATLAB software using two methods, Lagrange interpolation and Newton divided different method. Okay, next, let's start the manual calculation. We get the result. Okay, if no, we have to do that we have to do Maple and MATLAB coding and result update. If not get the result, we have to do again. Okay, after we get Bush result, we have to compare manual calculation with software calculation. Okay, if result correct, have to analyze result and discussion, and then we have to do report writing. Now for the methodology, that is for the Maple coding and MATLAB coding. Lagrange interpolation have for the linear, quadratic, cubic, and quadratic. Okay, for the linear, we pick the 2 data for the quadratic, 3 data for the cubic, 4 data for the quadratic, 5 data. So for the linear, is the value that we have to solve the power at 9:30 hour. So we pick the data at 9 and 10 hours. So this is the value of power at 9 and at 10. So this is the formula of linear. So we have to plus each other. So we get this answer 41.0988. So for quadratic, this is the formula. So for the equation, we get this answer 42.6444. Next, for the cubic, this is the formula. So for the equation, we get this answer 40.971638. Okay, next, lastly, for the quadratic, this is the formula. And then from this question, we get this answer. Okay, next for the Newton divided difference, MATLAB. So add input, enter the value we have to solve the problem. So this is data, this is the power, and this is the hour. So this is the formula for the table, and then this is the formula to solve the value 930 hours. So we run the program, we have inside the data 0930, enter, and then we get this answer. This is the table for the Newton, and this is the value of power at 930 hour. That's all from me. Thank you.
Hi and Assalamualaikum. My name is Adib Nur Hazim bin Mustafa and my matrix number is CE190169. Okay, today I would like to present about my part, which is result and discussion. Okay, so this is the reading data from solar panel. Okay, this data that we have take from the journal that we has been chosen. Okay, what we can see here, this have hours data and power in milliwatt data. Okay, so we just approximate equal to 0930 hours. Okay, so this is the large range interpolation method. Okay, next, this the linear approximation. Okay, what we can see here, this is the manual calculation and software calculation. Okay, for the linear first order, which is take a 2 point only, which is at 9 hours and 10 hours. Okay, so that is the formula that we use, and just fill the formula, fill the value at the formula, and we will get this answer. Okay, for the software calculation, just using the equation, and we will get the same answer. The manual and the software, we will got the same answer. Okay, next, for the quadratic approximation, this is the manual calculation for quadratic and software calculation. Okay, for the quadratic approximation, this is a second order, which is take a 3 point. Okay, this is the formula. Just fill the value at the formula, and you will get this answer. So for the software calculation, using this equation, and you will get the same answer. Okay, next, for the cubic approximation, is a third order, which is take a 4 point. Just fill the value from the data, and you will get the same answer between manual and software. Okay, for the last, for large range interpolation, for the quadratic approximation, is a fourth order, which is take a 5 point. Just fill the value, and you will get and for the software calculation, you also will get the same answer. All right, next, for the Newton divided difference method, is the second method for the interpolation. Okay, so this is the manual calculations, and this is the software calculation, and this table that we been used to calculate the Newton divide differences, and the answer is slightly different. For the manual calculation, the answer is 42.7900 milliwatt, but for the software calculation, the answer is 42.1619 milliwatt. So it has a slightly different. So we'll pass to the next presenter, Balarajan. Thank you.
Again, I am Balarajan, will present the conclusion part of this project. Therefore, the following conclusion can be drawn from the study. To begin with, from the project proven that findings of power calculation were accurate using both manual and software method for time of 9:30 am, and the values produced from the various interpolation method were nearly identical. However, the manual and software calculation for the Lagrange interpolation method are identical, while the software and manual calculation for Newton's divided difference differ slightly. That's all from us. Thank you.